Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jyoti, Health Officer in DPS and also a trained supervisor in self-swab testing. So let's learn how to do the swab test today. Please remember, do not perform this test if you have any flu symptoms. In case of any symptoms, if you are not feeling well, please visit doctor. Also, if you had recent nosebleed or nasal surgery, you should not perform this test. Before starting the test, make sure the windows are open, the place is well ventilated and the surface should be easy to clean. Step 1 is hand hygiene. Before performing the test, you should wash your hands with the 7-step method, palm to palm, in between the fingers, fingernails, back of the fingers, thumb and wrists. So after hand washing, you place the contents on the table on flat surface. There are 4 contents of the kit: swab stick, nozzle cap, buffer tube and cartridge. Step 3 is remove swab stick from the package. Open it like you open a band-aid. Do not touch the soft end. Hold it from here. Step 5 is sample collection. For sample collection, you need to insert this into your nostril. 2 cm, you have to insert approximately 2 parts of your finger and then twirl it 5 times and wait for 5 seconds. So let me show you. So you go gently from the bridge of your nose, breathing from your mouth, twirl it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then wait for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then gently I'll take it out. Now the other nostril, from the base of your nose, gently go in, twirl 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then gently take it. So this was sample collection. After collecting sample, you have to remove the seal from the buffer tube like this and put the swab stick inside the buffer tube. You have to mix it 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So please remember, while taking out the swab stick, you have to press the tube nicely so that all the solution will go inside the tube like this, and place it inside, then cover it with the nozzle cap this way tightly. Shake it. Next step is shake it 3 to 4 times. This is the testing part. Step 7 is put 4 drops into the sample well of the cartridge, this circle part. 1. So after this, you have to wait for 15 minutes to read your results. This C is the control line, and T is the test line. After 15 minutes, you have to read your results. If you see line appearing only on the C position, it's a negative result. If you see line appearing only on the test position, so it's an invalid result. In that case, you have to repeat your test. In case of 2 lines on both the positions, it's a positive test. In that case, you have to visit doctor. Last step is disposal and cleaning. Make sure you dispose all the contents in one sealable plastic bag. Right. And then seal it off. Take another plastic bag and using a cable tie, seal it and throw it into the rubbish. Everyone, stay safe and stay healthy.